Hello everyone, from the title of the video you know what we're doing today, deleting your Instagram account. You want to click the three lines, click on settings, click on help and help center. You'll get referred to this page which is now, it's just loading now, and what you're going to do is scroll down to manage your account, I think it is, and then you are going to click delete your account. So you're going to scroll down a bit and then how do I delete my account, and to do that you have to click on a link which is highlighted in a blue like a hyperlink. Then you're going to say why, so just click something else, and then to continue you have to enter your password to confirm it, and boom, you can delete your account. That is done. I'm not actually going to delete my account, this is just a demo. I hope this helped you. If it did, subscribe for more. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.